Show you how to make a quick clipping mask. So first we want to start with our new document. We already have it open, and we have in our photo bin some paper that we want to be able to use. Alright, so with our open document, we're going to go and click the shape tool, go down into the tool options bin, and you can choose whatever shape you want. You can change them here, however you want to do it. I'm just going to go back and stick with the heart for now. Okay, so I have my fixed size. You can change those options as well, but I want my heart to be about that size. So when I come here, I'm just going to kind of click somewhere in the middle right there. Now I have my heart. So next I want to be able to simplify this layer. Okay, so I've done that. And the next thing I'm going to do is to drag in the paper, or maybe a photo if I wanted to use a picture instead. And so here I have paper, and I'm going to drag that right in on top of the heart. If you can see over in the layers panel, I have my background, I have the shape, and I have the new pattern paper. I want to go ahead and simplify that layer. As you can see by the little gray square there, this layer needs to be simplified. So go ahead and simplify the layer. Okay, with this layer activated, this is the layer that you're going to use to make your clipping mask. So from here, you go to the top center where it says layer. All right, you scroll down until you see create clipping mask, and when you click this, that's what happens. You get your clipping mask. Very easy, very simple to do. And that's it. Thanks for watching.